Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Cardano family. Appreciate you guys as always for showing so much love on the updates. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates that I bring you guys. So looking at the overall market, so far everything is going as planned. You are seeing Bitcoin sitting above the psychological price point, which is above 60K. And the overall market is looking absolutely amazing, especially over the last 1 week. If you're looking at it even on the daily time frame, a lot of projects up double digits. And if you're looking at Cardano, it is performing really good, actually, up 27.6%. 27.6% over the past week alone. So let's take a closer look, see what is happening and what is yet to come. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at the overall market right now, it's no secret that the market is once again back into that bullish trend. And most importantly, of course, this update is regarding our good old friend ADA. ADA is up 26.1% over the past 1 week alone. 26.1%. So let's take it a step further and see what we're looking at. So if you're looking at the price of ADA right now, 43.5 cents, we're actually lagging in Bitcoin comparative, but a lot of projects are lagging right now in BTC comparative, despite the overall market picking up. That is due to dominance also kicking up towards the upside with the price of Bitcoin. So obviously a lot of coins will actually lag behind that. So if we're looking at the market valuation, about $15.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is about 351.1 million. And again, you're not seeing the volume going insanely high. We're still not seeing that. And again, that will come in my opinion. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening. And again, I know there's a lot of people that always talk about ADA this, ADA that, ADA's not doing this, ADA's not doing that. But these are the same exact people. I've said this to you guys before. Mainly, these are the people that either held through the bull market, last bull market, and never really profited, just or exit liquidity for other people. And or they're just only holding ADA in their portfolio and actually not diversifying. Only one to blame is them. I'm sure the people that actually believe in ADA, see the potential as well as the risk, and that is what you need to be doing. But Charles Hoskinson, who is, of course, the creator of ADA, brought up a really, really good thing. And I actually want to go over this, and then we'll talk about the price, and I'll share my personal opinion, as always, with you guys. So if you're looking at a Charles Hoskinson tweet, it says, "Never in my career have I seen such a profound disconnect between reality and opinion with cryptocurrency influencer and media perception of Cardano versus its actual fundamentals. We're on the verge of the most significant hard fork in the history of project. Tons of community dApps are growing rapidly. We're leading the industry in scaling R&D. Rare Evo is going to be a huge event. The Foundation Summit, huge, will be at Token 2049. Technologies like Hydra are maturing. We have partner chains, Midnight, Prism, tons of community events, Catalyst, and then the Constitutional Convention in Argentina. It's becoming impossible to keep up with, and it is much good news coming in just the next 6 months." Then I look at the crypto media and the headlines are, "Will Cardano die?" It's beyond pathetic and just reflects on the low quality and low effort they put into our ecosystem. Cardano is here to stay, and it's a juggernaut that will drag the industry kicking and screaming if it has towards solving the real world economic, political, and social media issues we all face. Could not agree more. And again, there's a little bit of a bias, without a doubt. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but believe it or not, this guy is the one who created ADA. And of course, there's a little bit of a bias in here, right? But without a doubt, I totally agree with one factor. There's so much garbage in this space. Coins without any fundamental, of course, just the community factor, technical analysis, just based off of the technicals, some of these projects, these memes are exploding. And that is what this market has come out to. And, as much as, meme coins are so exciting, you're making some life-changing gains, but it's also in a way ruining the space, believe it or not. And I've said this in a lot of my other updates. As much as meme coins are great things, that are making so many people wealthy, a great, thing to add in your portfolio, a little bit of a percentage of meme coins in your portfolio. The good diversification, of course, but it's also ruining the space. And projects like ADA, a lot of other solid projects as well are actually, kind of being swept behind. And I understand where Charles Hoskinson's coming from. The overall media, image is not actually focusing on what actually the project is doing. And I agree, the hard fork, the most significant hard fork in the history of the project, that's actually insane. That is insane. But I think the sophisticated investors, the people that actually understand the crypto space, will take note of this. And I do also believe there will come a time where you do see the shift in the projects with actually strong fundamentals actually start to pick up. And again, you're probably going to come out to me and say, Crypto ZX, there's a lot of projects with strong fundamentals that are actually going up. But most of these projects are the new kids on the block, if you've noticed a little bit of a pattern playing out. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the crypto space as far as the price of ADA. So you can see Bitcoin dominance has gone up, as well as the price of BTC. Bitcoin obviously sitting in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We're in the 23.6 Fib zone, back above psychological price point. Loving what I'm seeing. But remember, let's not get super excited. We still need to see the price stay above here. And actually, for me personally, I'm waiting for $65,000 Bitcoin, $64,000 to $65,000, and actually seeing the price stay above there, not just see a little bit of wick and boom, back down. That's not what we need. We need to see that confirmation and actually see the price maintain above those levels before I can start getting excited. But tomorrow is going to be a huge day. Tuesday is going to be a huge day to see how Bitcoin actually holds up. But I'm very, very excited, and I'll definitely take this. I'm sure, I understand where the feeling, the FOMO feeling is coming from, but let's not get super excited just yet. Of course, we're in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual. But anyhow, if you're looking at ADA has picked up, exactly where I projected the price of ADA to go. It actually did went up to the 44.4 cents level, and we saw a little bit of a rejection. Again, a lot of resistance at that point. But the most important thing that you want to look at is we're out of the extreme bear zone level. I did not like see the price of ADA sitting below this level of support, but we're back above there, so that's obviously really nice to see. But at the same time, a lot of resistance coming in its way, especially around the 46.13 cents. If that is able to clear out, guys, we could see ADA making its way up to the 52 cents very fast, like it's never left. And if you want to put that into perspective, that would be a move of about 21% from the current price level. So you want to be understanding these certain levels that I'm speaking about. But what a nice move. If you took advantage of just the July 5th levels around the 32 zone, I'm sure you guys are excited right now. You're up almost 40%. So that is really nice to see. Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, we are not seeing that much hype factor coming in. The volume says it all. We're obviously reacting to the Bitcoin move right now, but you're not seeing that crazy reaction in terms of retail going crazy. But that will come. We did see that happen earlier this year, and I believe we will see that happen again. And remember, projects like ADA do tend to move up faster because, again, proof of stake consensus, a lot of it is being staked, less coins to be purchased, so prices do tend to move up faster than other coins. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.